Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make PPT using Gemini Easy Method. Open Gemini, type a concise prompt, and request an outline for your slide count. Choose a template that matches your audience and tone, then export the text as a draft. Review each slide for clarity, add visuals, and refine transitions. Keep slides focused on one idea each and set consistent fonts and colors for a professional result. Start prompts with the audience and goal, then specify slide count and desired tone. For example, ask for a 10-slide overview with speaker notes and suggested images. Request concise bullet points, a call to action, and recommended slide titles. If you want charts, specify data format or numbers. Iterate quickly by asking Gemini to revise length, simplify language, or change tone until the draft matches your needs. Once text is finalized, pick a clean template and keep fonts consistent across slides. Replace placeholder images with relevant visuals and ensure charts use clear labels. Adjust spacing and line length for readability and add concise speaker notes for each slide. Export to PPTX, then test on another device to confirm formatting. Finally, rehearse with slide timings and refine transitions to keep your presentation smooth and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.